Hello guys, this video I'll make a little mechanical foot using 3ds Max and Plasticity. 5 minutes here in Max, 5 minutes in Plasticity. Gonna see what I can do. So guys, it's very good to do these little modeling challenges, exercises, speed modeling design challenges, because you can kind of master your hotkeys and just kind of learn to train your eye to make like the most critical decisions in the fastest amount of time. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I wanted to create a foot, but what I got instead was kind of a messy blob. If you're wondering why I kept activating Pro Booleans, because I kept stumbling with the keyboard. I was pressing Alt-V when I wanted to press Alt-C to activate the cut tool, so lost some time there, so I have to see if I can make things up in Plasticity. Also, it's a little bit asymmetrical here, and I do want it to be symmetrical here, so I will give myself the right just to paste that on top. So you guys see the workflow is I like to apply tessellate, so it's not perfectly smooth like that, it's kind of like that. And I enjoy this workflow. Because it just brings out some nice little things here, guys, that you normally would not get. And it's kind of a fun workflow when you work with CAD as well. Because you kind of get the angularity and smoothness, and with CAD you get like the sharp cuts. I'll also apply that right here as well. Well, that looks pretty bad, guys. So let me just wait. Let me see why this is happening here. Hold on a second. Oh, I see. Well, at least let me turn off the ice line display. All right. Alright guys, I'm just gonna let's see here. Alright. What if we go over like one level? Alright. Alright, I'll at least fix this up just a little bit because it just looks way too strange right here. Alright guys, there we go. Now go ahead and export this, and I will see you in Plasticity. Let's do the polyspline operation. Alright, and same for this. Alright, I'm gonna go give this different color here. Alright. And I'm going to go ahead and activate the reference image here. Maybe I'll make this like a military green type of color here. Alright guys. And I've also, in order to help myself out, instead of having this on a separate window, I went ahead and got the doodads I want to work with just right here for quick access. Alright, let's go ahead and begin. Alright, that's time. Alright guys, here's what I got. I'll just go ahead and symmetrify real quick here. Alright, and let me go ahead and apply some different colors as well. Alright guys, so I think I was able to make up some time here in Plasticity that I lost in 3ds Max. So these little challenges are a good way to speed up, really make sure you got your hotkeys in good working order. Alright guys, thank you for watching and take care.